Hello viewers, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show YouTube Short unable to load audio track problem. Following the full video, do not skip. Go to phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, search YouTube, tap on YouTube app, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Open on Google Play Store, search YouTube app, update YouTube app if showing on Play Store. Press on power button. Tap on reset. Reset phone normally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.